It talks about quality. It talks about the quality of what is happening in the final product. It talks about it. If you notice, my dear friends, here, timing, details, it's already there. But in collaboration, what is so important about it is it talks about quality. And when you talk about quality, my dear friends, it is important to remember the mantra of IT, of computers. However good is your process in technology, however good is your process in technology, if the input is garbage, the output is garbage. Are you still with me? Correct? Pag mali ang information from the start, kahit na ang ganda ng process mo, your output will always be an error because the start was already garbage. Which means to say, when we talk about collaboration, it means to say, before doing anything else, collaboration is meeting, assessing, and then identifying where we can go wrong. That's collaboration. You are already simulating in your mind. Okay, guys, we have 1 month to do this project. You know, in some cases, let's do it. Hindi. We have 1 month to do this project. You have been specially assigned to help me here. Now, I'd like to find out before anything else, given that project, what will be your concerns?